With that, let's get our viewers more breaking updates coming in of how technology is turning a lifesaver in Uttarakhand with high-resolution data driving the rescue operations. Satellite images are guiding the ground teams for the rescue operations. These are ISRO, the images that map the Harsel destruction, high-resolution images showing the submerged homes, and as many as 20 hectares of debris has been spotted, the satellite imaging aiding the ground rescue operations. So look at the visuals on the screens. These are the satellite visuals of the extent of damage that has been caused. This is the ISRO used Cartosat 2S data to assess the devastating August 5th flash floods in Uttarakhand. So now, remember, these satellite images give the extent of damages that have been caused, and just one comparison between the images taken before the unfortunate tragedy as well as now will show you the extent of damage on the ground. These satellite pictures are also, of course, aiding in the rescue operations. There are more breaking updates coming in. The Chief Minister has also reviewed the rescue operations and has said that it is going on a war footing, thanking the Prime Minister for full support, saying he is getting all assistance from the centre and all efforts are currently underway to evacuate the affected residents. So the ongoing relief and rescue operations are going on in Uttarkashi with the help of the heli service F-117 as well as Chinook helicopters. The rescue operations are being carried out. This is the update that has been given by the Chief Minister. He is currently at the spot reviewing the rescue operations there. He has taken to social media to also say that under the guidance of the Prime Minister, we are getting full support from the central government. During this time, I have given necessary instructions to the officials on the restoration of roads, communication as well as electricity. My colleague Tejshri gets us this ground report.
We are reporting from one of the area in Uttarkashi which is worstly affected by the landslide. We'll show you the pictures that how landslide has cut off the entire route, the bridge, and not just the bridge but also in fact the road has completely collapsed. You can also see that how large portion of hill slopes have been collapsed, blocking key roads and cutting off several villages as well. So the visuals of JCB also, how it is trying to remove the debris, clear the road and also clear the trees over here, the mudslides that have taken place, and this is the manner in which the roads are being cleared. Now we'll move forward to the other place, in fact, to show that how cutters are being used to cut the large stones that have fallen from the upper extension. However, yes, the terrain is difficult, but yes, again, the continuous efforts are being made by the rescue team to reconstruct this road. Also remember that these multiple machines have been deployed. They include JCBs, excavators, bulldozers, cutter machines. Cutter machines are being used, when large boulders have fallen onto the road. The terrain is very tough over here. Why I talk about the terrain being tough? Because you see now on my right hand side, this road has also completely collapsed. So this was the road which will take you downwards, but now there is no way out to clear the roads, because it is not a matter of just 1 or 2 days. The moment they clear another road, there is another mudslide happening over here. So that's why they have to be deployed over here 24/7 so as to make this passage clear. And once this passage is clear, then only, viewers, the vehicles will be able to be passing through this entire area. Times now present on ground zero, giving you minute-to-minute update so as to show and highlight what is the picture. If we talk about the latest death toll, then it's reported to be 600 people are missing and more than 200 people are affected due to this massive landslide. With video journalist Mrityunjay, this is Tejshri, 4 Times Now from Uttarakhand.
All right, with that, it's time for us to slip into a quick break. We'll be right back. Do stay with us.